Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo espresso machine and the Breville Barista Touch Impress. Big difference in price right off the bat. The Philips is around $799 renewed, and the Breville? A whopping $1,444.99.
Yeah, that's a significant jump. But look at what you're getting. The Breville boasts assisted tamping and auto milk queue for alternative milk settings. Does the Philips have anything like that?
Not really. The Philips' main selling point for milk is its LatteGo system, which they claim is super easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no tubes, and it makes silky smooth froth. It also has 12-step grinder levels for adjusting the grind to your taste.
Okay, easy cleaning is a plus, but the Breville has a touchscreen interface and guides you step by step, plus a thermojet heating system for optimal extraction in just 3 seconds. That's pretty impressive. And the grinder has 30 grind settings.
True, the Philips uses buttons and has a customizable aroma and volume feature, but nothing that fancy. It does have ceramic grinders they say are good for 20,000 cups. Dimensions are 15 DX10 WX17H, and it weighs 18.58 pounds.
The Breville is bigger and heavier, at 24.2 pounds and dimensions of 13.62 DX 14.09 WX 16.42H. It also has videos to showcase features.
I see the Philips has gotten only 41 reviews and a rating of 4.1, while the Breville has 426 reviews and a rating of 4.0.
Yeah, the Breville definitely seems to be targeting a more advanced user or someone willing to invest more for barista quality results at home. It's got that impressive puck system they keep talking about. The Philips seems more about convenience and easy cleanup.
So basically, if you want a simple, easy-to-clean machine that makes decent coffee, the Philips is a good option.
But if you're a coffee snob and want all the bells and whistles and the ability to fine-tune everything, the Breville is the way to go, despite the price.
Sounds about right. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.